All right, Enrico. End of the trip. How was it?
It was nice. It was fire. It was everything it could be.
Yeah.
Now we're waiting for the train. There it is.
Now we're out of here. Back home to Denmark.
Thank God.
Good morning, everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Garner Ghering, and I'm a Rotary Youth Exchange student from the United States of America, but I'm currently spending a year here living in Denmark. So we've spent a few months preparing, and now we're finally actually leaving today to go to Norway, and we're spending about a week that we're going to be skiing up there. So it's going to be so much fun, and of course, you guys are coming with. So to start off today, we're basically just packing. I got my backpack ready, and then we are gonna make our way over to Copenhagen. So we're taking the train. I have a friend coming to pick me up in just a little bit, and we're getting off to Norway. So let's go.
I don't know where it is. And you come from...
No, my sister's filming is like the best. That's a lie. But if you stole You ready? Hey! So, you excited to go to Norway?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a really good experience.
Oh yeah.
Have fun. I'm gonna learn to ski because I've never been skiing. So
Oh shit.
that's good. What about you?
I'm very excited. I have skied before, but everyone loves skiing. Never skied in Norway, so new thing. Enrico, are you ready for Norway?
I'm ready, yes.
How ready are you?
Scale 1 to 10.
Yeah. Okay.
Na praktycznie check that your seatbelts are safely fastened.
Yeah, exactly. He's leaving without us. Go, 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 go. Say hi to the vlog.
Let's go, man. Vamos Brasil! No, actually in my town is sure. We have the Norwegians by the side. Yeah. Pretty wow.
Damn.
Damn.
This really is where we're living for like the next week. That's crazy.
My flag is right.
Yeah, gotcha. There.
Let's go, man. What a nice day.
Very nice day.
I feel like outdoor boys. Yeah, yes sir.
We made it. First day, we're going to pick up our skis.
First day.
And we're out for some cross-country skiing later.
Starting easy today. The rest of the day is just fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you got it, okay.
There you go.
Just run the back and
Yeah. Try and go.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, no. 2003, Arizona Ice Out. Let's go.
What's the difference from Stockholm? Forest in Norway at the moment.
What?
They're eating branches, okay? So branches down to my little finger size. And then...
Why are they so threatened? In Norway, Sweden, they are very threatened.
Take one.
That lift is a pain in the ass.
Yes.
It's gonna take some time.
How do you slow down on a snowboard?
You fall.
Uh-huh.
You turn, but then you fall.
All right. I'm gonna try. Oh shit.
On one
Yeah.
side, and then lie down, turn over.
Whoa.
How you doing?
Not fucking great.
You alright?
No,
You want to go inside and see?
no.
I gotta pick the right song for the playlist, you know?
Oh, I can give you a recommendation.
Okay.
Okay, The Look by Metronomy.
The Look?
The Look by Metronomy.
Okay.
For skiing, it's great.
We'll see. I'll be the judge of that.
Well,
Hi.
I can go down the hill without falling.
Nice.
And I can turn.
Well, that was stupid of me. I know. Yeah.
Wait till your feet get numb and then you're fine.
That's what my feet are right now.
That's always how that's how my arms are when I go t-shirt.
For me, it always starts with cold toes, and then my toes feel like there's a hole in the sock. And then it's weird.
It doesn't look like it. Go past this one.
I'm just gonna go straight to the bottom again, okay?
Yeah, okay. Should we then go straight to the bottom again?
I'm gonna be on your left. feel the wind. Oh. Wow. That's meditation.
I think you're at too much of an angle.
All right. Yeah. What happened?
Nesbyen Rotary Klubb arrangerer wintercamp, hvor utenlandske utvekslingselever kommer fra hele Norge for å lære å stå på ski.
Joel, how are we feeling?
Feels incredible, man. And you?
Absolutely amazing. Enrico. Hello.
You have like a...
Oh shit!
There he goes.
Shit!
It is absolutely beautiful. Oh my God. I think I made it to heaven. Press play. Here we go.